everybody, welcome to the Chop Shop. So today is day one of the breakdown of the very fundamental things as far as attaching your blade sheathing system to an attachment system. I'm going to be spending a lot of time over the next couple of weeks. Again, this may be extremely elementary to a lot of you, but there are a lot of folks out there who are very new to this and need a little bit of help. If you hear something running in the background, it's because, again, here at the Chop Shop, we're always rolling. We got some handles being machined over there on the other side, so I'm speaking up so that you guys can hear me over that. I apologize for that, but guess what? A rolling stone gathers no moss. We're moving over here. So let's get to it. Okay, just like I had mentioned to you guys before, this is one of the screwdrivers and sets that are offered through Harbor Freight. Real simple, using a Phillips head. Now, here's basically what we're looking at. You've got your T-nut, your crimped eyelet, which would normally be here, rubber spacer, and then your screw. What I've done is I've gone ahead and made that connection here. A T-nut driven through the eyelet. There's the rubber washer on both sides here, okay? So one of the ways that you can do this is a safe lock. Unlock it. You can set it this way, and if you look, you'll see the eyelets sticking out through this at the 0.75 standard. These are at 1.5 inches width. You can connect these this way into the safe lock. So now what I've done is fastened the safe lock system to the sheath. Now you can run a belt through here. There's spacers that you can use to be able to adjust the width on your belt and lock it. And this puts this attachment on this sheath. Okay, on this go around, we've attached the T-nuts on this side. Now, in my opinion, this is probably the more secure way of doing this, because these slots are perfectly fitted for these T-nut diameters. The slot has been cut to accommodate it. So this is, in my opinion, one of the better ways of doing this. So you set it through here, line it up. Again, a little bit difficult because only operating with one opposable thumb. And there you go. You've attached your light fighter to the belt hook. All right, guys. So I did the best I could with this. I hope it helps some of you guys out there with attaching, specifically understanding how T-nuts. If you guys hear that in the background, again, we're working. If you guys can get a better understanding of how T-nuts work with your eyelets, with your Kydex style sheathing systems, I think this will help a lot of you beginners out with being able to get creative with how you mount, how you rig, specifically using belt hook style systems. For example, this one, or a little bit more complex mechanical system like this safe lock or a tech lock. And there's a lot of different accessories that you can purchase to help you with variable hole sizes. Like UltiClip makes it's like a plate. We use it in our Leo systems in case there's some varying hole sizes. It helps you out with that. So yeah, if there's any questions, excuse me, if you got any questions, please email me at rob@star15.com. Again, that's rob@star15.com. Thank you guys. We appreciate it. See you next week with some more tips. Peace.